Hello DB Besties and welcome back to the Design Bundles YouTube channel. Today we are doing something very exciting. I've had this for probably 2 years, and have I ever used it? No. So today we are going to see if we can make tattoos, temporary tattoos, using the Cricut Joy Extra. I bought this paper, like I said, like 2 years ago. I've never used it. So today we're gonna start by reading the directions and then we're gonna use sublimation files found in the Plus library to make some temporary tattoos. This was inspired by, I believe, a video Mackenzie saw online. So we'll see how well it works. This is a different kind of tattoo paper than they used, and the directions are extensive. Anything that requires 10 steps to do is usually something I stray away from. But today we're gonna try. So let's get into it. Oh, I almost forgot. We are using 5 files that I found in the Plus library today. All of these are in the Plus libraries. They're included with your Plus membership. They are also all sublimation files. So we are using PNG files for this project. That is what you're going to need. And these are the ones that we're using. Ta-da! They might be above me as well because there are 5 of them. These are the ones I picked out. I'm gonna be honest, I picked out ones I thought my kids would enjoy wearing. So that's how we came across these. And I think they are very cute and I love like the watercolor style. Also, my daughter is just very into unicorns right now. So what can you do? It is the thing when you're 4. You can see I've already put them here in Cricut Design Space. We're also gonna need to mirror these images, and we're gonna do this as a print and cut. So we've uploaded them all as PNGs. Because they are print and cuts, and again, this is my first time doing this, so correct me if I'm wrong. I really don't want the Cricut to like cut around like every little bit of this panda. So I'm actually gonna give all of these like just a square backing, because that's honestly what I want the Cricut to cut out. Because I really just need it to cut out little squares for each tattoo. And we're gonna make it white, and then I'm just gonna make 5 of those. So each tattoo gets its own one. I think I'm thinking about this correctly. So here we go. We have 5 tattoos. Hopefully they will all fit on a page, and we are already connected to my Cricut Joy Extra. So now let's make it. Okay, sweet. They're all gonna fit on a page. We do need to mirror because that's what the directions said. And then we're gonna hit print, and we're gonna hope that it prints out because my printer has been quite kooky lately. Hopefully it's actually printing. And then in our directions, it says, you know what? Sometimes the best way to learn is to do. So I'm gonna go get this off the printer and let's just do it. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I got it off the printer. Look at that. I love how these look. Are they dry? No. Okay, you know what? I gotta go pick up Henry from school anyway. I'm gonna let these dry. I'm gonna go get Henry from school, and then when I get back, we will put our laminating sheet on top and cut these out. So we'll let that dry completely and we'll be back. So here's our sheet. Here is our adhesive part. So I'm gonna just peel up like a little corner of it. Oh, that is not what I thought it was. Wait a minute. I need to read my directions again. Hold on. Okay, so it like comes apart in your hand. So we are gonna be very careful this time. I'm peeling back a little corner and I'm just putting it in the corner down here, just to get it started. Okay, now we're gonna use our squeegee to slowly peel away the rest without having to actually touch it. So I'm just pulling from the bottom and squeegeeing as I go, but that was a little bit dramatic. Like, I did not know. I thought it was just gonna be like an adhesive sheet, but no, it's like very sticky. Okay, so now we have it protected and covered, and now we're gonna put it on our regular grip mat here. Should we be using a light grip mat? Maybe. All right, I'm just gonna set it on here. Whoop. I guess I could line it up properly. It's like I know what I'm doing. And then we're gonna load it right into the Cricut. Alrighty, here she goes. Click and go. And now let's let it do its thing. Usually I write over top of the registration marks so that it can really read them, and I forgot to do that. So we'll see if it can read the registration marks. Okay, we're gonna hit unload. Okay, there's the excess. See how it like, can you tell that it like, that's very odd. Like the sticky paper is like disintegrating. Okay, but here are our tattoos. Okay, they look great. Will they actually work? We're gonna find out. My daughter is not home from school yet. I really want them, sorry about that. I really want them to get to use them together. So I'm gonna go pick her up. Then we have swim lessons, life of a mom. After that, we're gonna test these bad boys out and finish this video at that point. So I'll see you back here in just a little while, post swim lessons. Okay, we are back from swim lessons. Henry has already changed into his pajamas. They are ready to try out what I made today, and they don't know what it is yet. We made tattoos. Do you guys want to try them on to see if they work?
Yeah, I want the bear.
Okay,
I want the birdie.
let's test them out. Okay, do you want the panda, Henry?
Yes, I want
Henry's
the panda.
gonna do the panda. Hopefully this doesn't take everything with it. Oh, it didn't really take any ink with it. Very nice. A clean peel. Okay, we're gonna stick it on there, and then we're gonna use a baby wipe to wet it down. Do you think it's gonna work?
Yeah. Take it off.
Oh, hold on, we gotta make sure it's nice and wet under there. All right, let me see. You ready? Oh. Whoa, wait a minute. Ta-da! A bear hand. Okay, Hallie, do you want one?
I want to get the birdie.
The bird. Okay, Hallie has chosen the bird. Okay, stay still.
I hope Daddy wants one. What happens when it dries? I think it's sticking forever.
Okay, here's hers. Hold on, do we have drama? Do we have drama? Okay.
Ta-da!
All right, show yours to the camera.
I want another one.
Hold on, no, show it for longer so we can actually all see it. Okay. I give the tattoos an 8 out of 10, and here's why. Did they work? Yes.
Can I do the unicorn first? Can you switch and put the unicorn first?
Okay, yes. All right, go to the other room. I'll be right there.
Can I have green and pink? Okay. I'll be right back. Here.
Okay, so I give the tattoos an 8 out of 10, and here's why. Number one, did they print great? Yes. Did they cut great? Yes. Did they work? Yes, you saw them work. The clear film is like kind of thick, and I don't know if you saw it when they had it on their hands, but like the whole rectangle of film came off. So what I probably should have done is made like a sticker outline for each one and just cut that out, like do an offset or like a sticker creator, like using Design Bundles Creator, the new software. That would have probably worked a little bit better, and they wouldn't have had so much clear film all over their hands. But all in all, I do give this an 8 out of 10. If I try it again, which I intend to, I'm gonna cut closer around the stickers to avoid so much extra film getting on their hands. Hey, 1, 2, 3, quiet mouse, really quick. 1, 2, 3, quiet mouse. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing, because we are back here every week with more crafty tutorials. Hopefully more like this one. Let us know what you thought in the comments. If you've tried this before, let me know what hacks worked for you. Leave your comments below, hate mail, fan mail, questions, concerns, anything, and we'll be back here next week with another video. Bye friends, but until next time, happy crafting.